Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can add the coffee to your profile in the SAECO Grand Aroma Deluxe. In the first step, open the profiles. Now select your one, and as you can see there we have one coffee. If you want to add more, click on the plus. Select the coffee type. Now you can adjust the coffee strength, length, mill length, temperature, foam by sliding by using these sliders. Now you can click on the accept, add the name of your coffee, and as you can see, now we have the next coffee on our profile. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.